Here goes Daddy going to feed the chupacabra. You stay right here, baby. I don't want him sneaking around or anything. Okay, pal. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. Here, you want to eat right here? Hmm? You want to eat right here? There you go, Chubby. Come on. Come on, that boy. Go ahead. That's a good baby. It's okay. Go ahead and eat, pal. Yeah. You go ahead and eat. My chupacabra, huh? Need my chupacabra? You go ahead, pal. You slow down. Go ahead. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. That a boy. There he goes. That's the chupacabra. That's our pet Chubby. That'd be cool. He had a good breakfast. And now I'm coming back over here to eat mine. Hey, is he still going commando? I gotta go dry.
Come here, Derek.
There's our chupacabra. Pretty cool.
Poor guy can't find his doggy.
I know.
It's okay.
Look at Mama, he's eating the rib.
She gave him the rib?
Yeah. There was only one rib. Well, you know, we get that stuff all the time. He never. Unless we're out here. Okay, anyway. Thank you, Chubby. We'll take pictures of you and put you on YouTube. Good boy.
Is that a chupacabra?
That's a chupacabra. Let me see the focus on this thing. Let's see if we can. Okay, there goes Aunt Sheila. Chupacabra. Chupacabra. Where's Eric?
Where'd he go?
Oh, he's right there. Okay.